Invent yourself, and then reinvent yourself.
Move out! Calling out the voice! Connection established, sir. This is Lieutenant Barnes of Task Force 5456. Requesting HEBD on grid 973726 954. Doctor, I can't feel my legs, man. Doctor, I can't feel my legs, Doctor. You motherfuckers kill me, man. My time is now. Your time is coming, man. You better fucking kill me. Don't fucking leave me like this, huh? You think I ain't gonna get up? You motherfuckers, huh? Yeah, motherfucker. I killed your brother, and I fucked his girl. You motherfucker, you fucking mutts.
Let me kill this motherfucker now. He's gonna come back for us, man.
Nah, let him die slow.
You ain't gonna leave me like this, man. You motherfuckers, you ain't gonna fuck this shit, man. It ain't our fault they can't find shit. What you should have did was killed the bitch when she told you she got pregnant, nigga.
She took off before I knew. But it ain't nothing, though. Just gotta do a little cleanup now. You know, witnesses and things.
What witnesses, man? Oh! What the fuck?
Yeah, guy's an asshole.
He wanted us to see that. That fucker thinks he could spook us, man.
We gotta get his ass off the streets.
And we fucking are right now.
That's the kid from the office.
What do you say we pay his bad man a little visit?
Just call in some helicopter support via radio, sir.
No mixers. I know how to take care of my men. Our firepower cover is effective, Sergeant.
Sir, more than 100 meters out? And how many goons you think are down there, huh? 5? 10? A fucking 1,000?
The firepower of an American Marine is worth 5 of them goddamn yellow gooks.
Sir, just as strong as some air support, sir. Y'all get the credit for...
Damn, kid. I love the fire in you. I used to have that fire. But you need oxygen to burn that fire. And this place here, it smothers that fire. What's that mean?
That means I'm smarter than you.
You think you're smarter than the black dude?
You know what? Fuck it. I'll go block them. You take care of it. Don't mess it up.
Okay, bro. I got you as well.
This is still not enough money for your son.
I want my son.
Understand what you want, but this still is not enough money for your son.
We can take a different route.
Whatever route you want to take it, it's on you. This is still not enough for your son.
Hey, what's that? It's a plane. Hey! Over here! Hey! Over here! What's here? Ah! Over here! Ah!
They can't see us. They're drones. There's no pilot.
What do you mean? Come back! I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here.
Can't beat death, but you can beat death in life, sometimes. And the more often you learn to do it, the more light there will be. Your life is your life. Know it while you have it. You are marvelous.